Hello. With this presentation, we would like to demonstrate to you how to perform an LPA with our LPA Manager. Once an LPA checklist has been retrieved, we register with the app to complete the LPA checklist. The app is available for Microsoft, Apple, and Android operating systems. This app is optimized for touch-based tablets to avoid the inconvenience of having to use a keyboard and mouse. Now let's imagine that Layer 2, let's call him Tom, takes the tablet to the shop floor to perform his weekly audit. In our example, Tom logs in with the profile of a Layer 2. The Assigned Logical Form function gives us access to assigned LPA checklists for Tom. In this case, Tom is assigned an LPA checklist for today. Tom selects this checklist and accepts the LPA checklist for completion. In the document header, he now selects the mandatory field Date and Time. The current day and time is being suggested, and he confirms this with OK. Tom now reads the individual LPA questions to Layer 1, in this case, the setter, and confirms the answer with green, Process confirmed, yellow, Problem has already been solved, or red, Initiate action. In the case of yellow, Tom receives a selection of standard answers which during later analysis point to general problems, such as employee qualifications. In the case of red, Tom enters a description of the problem and a possible way of remedying it. The signatures of auditor and auditee can also be entered if required. To do this, Tom clicks on the signature box and selects the pen on the left. He now enters his signature in the field and clicks on Accept. In order to add a photo for documentation in the case of a red answer, he now clicks on the right arrow to go to the second page of the LPA checklist. He clicks on a free photo field and activates the camera, takes a photo, and accepts it. Tom documents this photo and then goes back to page 1. Once the audit has been performed, Tom forwards the LPA checklist by clicking Direct Send. If the answer is red, a measure is stored in the Measure tool, and the higher layer, in this case Layer 3, the Shift Manager, is informed about the status. The forwarded LPA checklist is now prepared in the database for the various analysis and can be viewed at any time using the LPA Manager.